Hi guys, welcome to our weekly market analysis. I'm Kumo, your mentor here, and today we're going to be doing a weekly analysis where we're going to be looking at a few pairs. We're going to look to take some opportunities that the market presents to us for this week or for this week on. Depends on when the take profits or when we'll take profit on our trades, right? So first, before we start our weekly market analysis, guys, I would like to give you an update on the previous trades we took. We took trades on the NZD CAD, and we took trades on the odd USD, and then we took trades on, we analyzed the last weekly market analysis. We analyzed the USD CAD, right? So first of all, let me jump into the NZD CAD, right? So let me just go to my 4-hour chart so this can be more clear. Let me just close my watch list right here. So as you can see, guys, this is still a pending trade, but it's very much into profits right now. The last weekly market analysis, I analyzed this pair right here, and I concluded that the market is gonna come right there to our area there, to that order block right there, and mitigate that order block, and then reverse on that order block, right? So we had a few confluences for this trade right here. First of all, we had that liquidity over there. We have some liquidity over here. We had that liquidity sweep over here, and then that liquidity was swept. Obviously, as you can see, we have a fair value gap, which is inefficient price action over there, guys. So that was our confluences for this trade, and as you can see, it's a premium supply, meaning that it's in a premium zone. Our order block is within a premium zone, right? So as you can see that our order block, it's in the 0.799 zone, which is the extreme zone, meaning that the price is more likely to reverse on that area right there. So yeah, guys, so this is the trade. I made this analysis the last time, and then this is the results of this analysis. If you're not sure of how we really performed or how we really analyzed this trade, you can go to the previous video and then look at the previous video how I analyzed this pair right here. So we're currently moving towards our take profit right now. So I'll just share an update in the next weekly market analysis, or you'll just see it on the Instagram page at Simple Forex _1, guys. So yeah, guys, let me go to the next pair which I analyzed last week. The next pair is our odd USD, right? Let me just go to my files here and show you the trade that we took, right? Here's this trade, guys. So we took this trade right here. We took this trade. Price came here to mitigate that extreme order block there, that premium supply, and then price went straight to our target, right? We targeted this liquidity below here. As you can see, it's a double bottom, meaning that it's a level of liquidity, right? All of us know that. We had confluences of liquidity. As you can see, there's a sweep there, and then we also have a fair value gap there, price inefficiency, and we know that the law of fair value gap states that every fair value gap or every inefficient price has to come back to be filled, right? So yeah, guys, now I'm going to go to the other pair that I analyzed, but it's currently not moving into our it did not trigger. It did not trigger. So let me just go to the daily time frame, because this is more of a swing. Let me just reset my chart, close this watch list over here. So as you can see, guys, the market is just going down and down and down. It's creating liquidity. We have so many levels of liquidity, of 3 levels of liquidity after that break of structure right there, guys. So what I'm anticipating is that I feel like price is gonna go up, and then as it goes up, what I will do is that I will share a signal with you after it sweeps this liquidity. That will count as our market shift. So maybe possibly we can go up with it as it goes up to go sweep other liquidities, like this main liquidity over here and this liquidity over here. As you can see from this side, guys, we had this liquidity over here that was swept, and then price mitigated the order block, and then it went down. So that might be the same thing that's going to happen on this side too. So we'll just wait and see. If there's any changes to the analysis, or there's anything that I want to share with you, I will share it on the next weekly market analysis, guys. So those are the trades. So we had 2 winning trades, and then we had this one that is not triggered yet. So the other ones are, the other trades were reserved obviously for the premium members, right? We all know that. So guys, I'm gonna go to the pair that I want us to analyze today. We're gonna analyze the odd USD, right? The Australian dollar US, the Australian dollar US, United States dollars, right? Let me just go to a clean chart. Let me go to the forward chart. As you can see, this analysis right here, but I'll just take you to a clean chart so there's no confusion whatsoever, right? There is no confusion whatsoever. So first of all, guys, what can we see? So we made analysis for this last time, so we're just gonna take some more opportunities that is presented to us. I can see some opportunities, but then I'll share it with you right now. So first of all, if we can see from this side, is that we had the first market shift, which is right here. Price broke that swing point right there, indicating to us that price is really now looking to shift and go down from an up movement to a down movement, right? And then we mitigated that order block right there, as I showed you on that trade. If you're not sure about that trade, you can just go look at that trade on the previous weekly market analysis, and then you'll just get a full review or overview of that trade right there, right? So then we have this order block right there that was mitigated from last time, right? So what am I seeing from this side now? What are the order blocks that what are the opportunities that we can take for this week on, right? First of all, what I can see here is that we had a break of structure, right? This is a break of structure, guys. Price broke structure over there. Count that as our break of structure. And then what can we see on this zone over here, on this downward movement? Now what I'm anticipating is that I'm looking for a retracement so that price can go mitigate the order blocks up top and then go down, right? So first of all, what I can see is that let me just take out my Fibonacci retracement so I can look which point is the retracement likely to be, right? So as you can see, the 0.799 and the 0.705 is our premium zones, right? So these are our zones from here, and this is our extreme zone right here above the 0.7 on the 7.799 or above it, right? That is our extreme order block right there. So let me just do this, guys. So first of all, what I can see is that we have a level of inducement, right? Inducement is a level where the order block is fake, right? Where you are more likely to be taken out, right? So what I really identify inducement as is when it's not in my premium zone. As you can see from this move, this level is not in my premium zone, so I don't count it as a valid order block, meaning that it's a fake order block, meaning that it's a level of inducement, right? This level right here is a level of inducement, and it's going to be taken out, so it's a form of liquidity, right? And then what you have here is a fair value gap. If you can see here, we have a fair value gap right here, right? This is a level of inefficiency right there. That is price inefficiency. That low doesn't touch that high right there, so that leaves a gap there, right? So which order block will I be targeting, or how do I outline my order block, right? So first of all, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to mark out my order block right here, and then this order block is more likely to be mitigated, and then price reverses on this order block right here, right? And then you can see there's another order block that was mitigated before that's not really valid to this week, but I just want to show you that this one was mitigated too, and then price went down. So this one is more likely to be mitigated because it's an unmitigated order block, right? So we have a level of inducement over there. We have a fair value gap. We know that in the laws of a fair value gap, the price is gonna have to come up and fill in that gap over there, right? Okay guys, so that's our level right there. That's our level. Let me just adjust it. Okay, perfect. So I'm looking for the cells right on that area right there, right? That is the area where I'm looking to take my cells from, right? So what are we going to do? We are going to sell. We're going to open a short position on that point there, and then we're going to go down with it, guys. For maybe insurance, you can just put it above the order block there so that you don't get swept out with the liquidity, right? And then what are we going to target? We're going to be targeting our low right here. If it goes lower, maybe we'll go lower with it, but I feel like for now let's just target that low it will depend when the price is going to it will depend when the price is going to really retrace up to that point right there. So that is the point of interest. That is our order block. That is where we are looking to take our trades from, right? So this trade is a nice 1:5 trade. Yeah, not usually what I do, because usually our trades are like 1:7 above, but yeah, this is a nice trade as well. So we'll just be looking to take this trade. So yeah guys, stay tuned. This is the first analysis. I will share this analysis. I already shared it actually in the Simple Forex community. Let me just show you there. I already told my community members that we might look to mitigate that order block right there. So the fair value gap is there, you can see, and then we might be looking to mitigate that order block right there. So I already shared this, so you might as well just join the Simple Forex community, so that also you can get like free signals, or you can get some of the analysis that I make from time to time, right? And then there's other things coming. If you have some questions to ask me, you can ask me on the community. If you want to engage with other people, maybe you can engage with them too. So yeah guys, let's just grow this community, and then we just become a community, and then we discuss everything Forex related, SMC related, Forex related, price action related. Yeah, anything about Forex we just discuss in the group. So yeah guys, let's grow the community over there. So the second analysis that I want us to do, let me just check it out here. It was the euro odd analysis, right? Yeah, it was the euro odd analysis. Let me just go to my daily time frame over here. As you can see, we are seeking sells over here. So I'm just gonna go through this trade and tell you why I'm looking for the sells over there, and how am I gonna execute this trade, right? So first of all guys, as you can see, from here on we had some impulsive bullish momentum right there. We had a rally from there. So what happened guys? As you can see, let me just open my arrow. As you can see here guys, price broke that swing point over there, indicating to us that the market is really, or the pair is really willing to change direction. So it gave us our first market shift, right? So after the market shift, what do we look for, right? Let me just close this watch list right here guys. After this market shift, what we're looking for is that we're looking for a premium zone where we can really we can really take our trades, because premium zones or discounted zones are very important, because they help us outline our order blocks, right? So as you can see, those are our premium zones right there. So that is not valid for now. Let me just show you. So right here guys, we had a double top. As you can see, this is a double top. This is equal highs, meaning that this is equal highs. Sorry about that. Meaning that it's a level of liquidity, and then that liquidity was swept there, right? So now as we can see, price is really willing, or price is currently in this area right here, in that extreme demand right there, in that extreme supply. Sorry about that. So let me just show you which extreme supply am I talking about, right? So yeah, it is, and then yeah, that is our order block, right? And then as you can see, price already mitigated that order block right there. So now you might say, okay, now it's time to sell. No, it's not time to sell, because we are not very sure if the market is really willing to sell over that area right there. So what we'll do is that we'll wait for the confirmation. And what is the confirmation? I talked about this confirmation in the previous video, which it's called the second entry confirmation, right? So that second entry confirmation, it might have other names for it, so don't judge me. I just call it the second entry. That's how I learned it. Maybe it's not the right way to call it, but I just call it the second entry. But let me demonstrate to you, right? So what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for price to break the swing point over there that I have marked out. So something's gonna happen like this. Price is gonna break that swing point, indicating to us a market shift. After that market shift, we're gonna wait for price to retrace back again up, and then If it possibly comes back to this area, it comes back to that area. If it doesn't, maybe it might mitigate some order blocks over here. It will just depend on the confluences or on what happens, so that we know that that order block is valid. But for now, if it gives us this potential move, we'll know that the market is shifting, meaning that we're really willing to sell on that order block right there. So I will share this analysis with you. I will share the signal with you on the community group, so that there's no confusion whatsoever. I will share that with you right there. So yeah, guys, yeah, that's the trade. That's the trade for the euro odd. That's what I'm really eyeing for. So we'll just have to wait and let our trades play out and let our analysis play out, because we can't be really, not even greedy, but we can't be impatient and then we say we're going to execute right on that area, because we don't know if it's valid or not, right? So confirmation is very important, because if the trade is confirmed, then you can trade comfortably and it becomes less risky. So our take profit level will probably be on this level right here, on that low right there. So some other levels might be here. I want to show you something. Some of you might have already seen the liquidity here, but you can see here we have equal lows right there. So that is a level of liquidity. So price must come down and take out that liquidity too. We also have inefficiency here. We also have a fair value gap. So we have many confluences that our trade or this pair might go down. So guys, what I want for you is to stay tuned, is to join the Simple Forex community. If you don't want to become a premium member yet, or don't have the facilities to become a premium member, you must just join the Simple Forex community, where you will get updates, you will get some free signals there and there. Obviously I can't give a lot of free signals, and some analysis are only catered for the premium members because they get exclusive market breakdown, right? So guys, those are analysis that I'm willing to share for today. If there's any updates, if there's any analysis that I'm willing to share with you guys, I will probably share it in the Simple Forex community group. So guys, make sure you join the group, make sure you like, share and subscribe, and then guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for joining this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for giving me your time, guys. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. So yeah, I hope you have a great trading week. I know I posted this later. I was supposed to post this maybe like Monday or Tuesday, but I just wanted to wait for the market to play out. Plus this week is very hectic because it's NFP week. So yeah, this week is going to be a very volatile week. Many news releases. So guys, I hope you have a good trading week. I hope you're having a good trading week now. But if you're not, it's just part of the process. So guys, yeah, I'll catch you again on the next weekly market analysis, or if I'm dropping another video this week, I'll just tell you, but that is unlikely because this week is very hectic and it's NFP week, guys. So guys, we'll meet each other in the next video. Like, share and subscribe, and then yeah guys, enjoy.